TikTok and cryptocurrency have many similarities. They are both new kids on the block in a decades-old space, followed by a vast population of youth and highly profitable if the tools are used correctly. Many people were stuck inside during the global pandemic, and due to various circumstances including boredom and job loss, day trading became extremely popular. People traded anything from equities to cryptocurrency coins regularly, seeking to make the most of the scenario. This resulted in a big influx of financial experts on TikTok, which became known as FinTalk and Stock Talk because of the significant growth in financial-related material on the site. Many new traders began to follow these self-proclaimed financial experts, placing trades based on what information the bigger accounts were relaying. Most of the content is inaccurate or simply incorrect, causing individuals who follow it to incur significant financial losses. Following the advice of the wrong individuals may be pretty expensive financially, as many first-time investors discovered all too soon. Stick to the video to get more info. How much do TikTokers make? TikTok is all about short 15-second videos that you may make and share. TikTokers who create intriguing material, including music and dancing, typically receive the most engagement. Nevertheless, TikTok is not only a musical and dancing app, it also features accounts that focus on various issues, such as personal finance. TikTokers who want to be included in a TikTok Creator Fund, which allows creators to commercialize their material, need to have at least 100,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the 30 days before the application. Those who have more than 1 million followers will benefit the most financially. The range of money TikTokers make will vary depending on several things, including the topic on which TikToker experts are making videos. TikTok experts capitalize on their large followings to not only sell their wares, but also promote other businesses' products in exchange for payment. Everything hinges on how well known you are and the type of people that follow you online. Forbes reports that a TikToker may earn anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 for a sponsored video, with superstars earning as much as $500,000 each post on average. The amount of money you make on TikTok is proportional to the number of people who follow you on the platform and your engagement rate, which refers to the frequency with which other users interact with your profile by following, liking, and commenting on your short videos. How do crypto experts earn on your basis? It is essential to keep in mind that not all ventures using cryptocurrencies being promoted are fraudulent. It is critical to conduct one's study and familiarize oneself with the project's foundational elements. Nevertheless, the following is a list of ways that crypto experts on TikTok can make money off of you or others. Number 1. Affiliate deals. The first method by which TikTokers make money off of you is by receiving a commission on every transaction made through their links. There are several well-known instances, such as the fact that the Ledger HW wallet offers a fee of 10% and that most exchanges provide attractive affiliate schemes. You too may be called a mini TikToker if you encourage your friends to trade on a particular cryptocurrency exchange. All it takes is a little bit of promotion. One such illustration is the FTX. Users are provided with a one-of-a-kind affiliate link. If your viewer joins using your referral code, you both benefit. You receive 25% to 40% of the fees they pay, and your viewer gets a payback of 5%. Number 2. Sponsorships. Companies need a medium to market cryptocurrencies to the retail sector, and as advertisements for cryptocurrencies cannot yet be placed on Google or Facebook, sponsorships are the only viable option. In addition, several countries have laws prohibiting the advertising of such forms of media. Consequently, they start looking for influencers who will work for a set price in exchange for a mention in a newsletter or a podcast. For instance, the TikTok account BitBoy Crypto brings in significant revenue thanks to sponsorships. A simple, focused review will set you back a whopping $35,000 US. It is also essential to assess these alpha calls, since they are compensated for recommending a specific cryptocurrency, and as a result, their opinions may be skewed. Number 3. Premium content. One other way these TikTokers get income is through curating premium content such as paid accounts. This is comparable to some individuals' methods of uploading content behind an OnlyFans paywall. As an illustration, you may give guidance on on-chain onboarding or advice on your existing cryptocurrency holdings. Users have easier access to more in-depth information and compilations that are typically tough to find. Number 4. Deal flow. Sometimes protocols may seek to TikTokers for investment opportunities. This is because not only are they able to invest in their protocol, but they can also assist promote it to their supporter base. In exchange, TikTokers acquire these tokens at significantly lower costs, which allow them to earn a profit. The retailer investors to TikTokers to venture capitalists hierarchy is considered a route, as described by the DeFi Edge. Number 5. Validators. This one is fascinating because occasionally TikTokers advocate a specific currency to persuade you to join their staking pool. Validators are a type of proof-of-work consensus mechanism. They are entitled to a specific share of the staking fees in exchange for their services. For instance, all of us are familiar with Cardano. Have you ever taken the time to observe that a significant number of free TikTok accounts constantly promote Cardano? Take a step back and look at it from a fresh angle. Number 6. Protocols. The last and most effective technique for most TikTokers to profit from you is through protocols. Users will occasionally begin their brand, which is most frequently an NFT. Brands like Irene DAO are great instances of remarkable achievements that have revolutionized the landscape of this industry. In addition, they also may be utilized in the advertising and promotion of enterprises. For instance, a non-fungible token NFT might provide entry into a prestigious expert TikToker club. A disclaimer usually says that this is not financial advice, but it is merely a means for them to protect themselves from the possibility of violating SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission regulations. On TikTok, anybody may represent themselves as an expert, and there is no requirement for a license to offer advice or comments to other users. This is true even if users give the impression that they know what they're talking about. When looking for financial advice in the real world, away from social media, you should look for someone certified to do it. There is much too much at stake for anyone to initiate such a search on TikTok. Nobody does it. Why, therefore, are people listening to the guidance of TikTok stars who are trying to get them to invest in digital coins? Unfortunately, it all comes down to perceived value and the belief that just because someone has many followers does not automatically mean that person is knowledgeable and can be trusted. The advice provided is in line with the algorithm that TikTok uses. Mastering the command of TikTok's algorithm results in more organic exposure, leading to increased interaction and a larger following. TikTok offers a creator fund that pays for views, providing influencers with a financial incentive to produce optimized content for the platform's algorithm. Consequently, if a specific cryptocurrency is popular at the moment, generating content that focuses on it is the key to creating content that has a chance of going viral and rewarding its author in several ways, including more interaction, a larger following, and increased money. If one of these self-proclaimed experts is talking about a particular coin, it's possible that they aren't doing so because it's wise to investigate the investment possibilities of that coin. Instead, they are likely doing so to game the algorithm. Meme coins advertise themselves through famous TikTok accounts. This process consists of rising and repeating, and the same set of individuals frequently coordinate it. Many experienced cryptocurrency investors can easily detect that the contracts, websites, and advertising teams behind the currencies are similar. They use popular influencers to pitch them to quickly inflate the price before most holders sell, leaving behind no liquidity and leaving those who still hold with completely worthless coins. Many meme coins end up being scams and rugs, and they use popular influencers to pitch them. What to do before investing in expert TikToker promoted projects? Evaluate the project. It is always necessary to ensure that none of the initiatives are just copies of one another. How successful are the initiatives once the shills have pushed them? When it comes to the project, do they include any disclaimers? Remember that even if someone starts with the best intentions, their behavior might quickly go in a negative direction. People are sensitive to being bribed, and one could argue that given sufficient financial incentive, practically everyone would be prepared to peddle anything to pump their bags in a bad manner. For your convenience, in this video I have drafted a simple outline that you can use as a guide to ensure that you conduct adequate research before buying anything. Verify if the project has a website. Can you access it? How would you describe the overall user experience? Check the white paper to see if it has any statistical reasons, or does it have any? Is it true to life and full of specifics? Confirm the identity of the team and partnerships. Are they hidden? Who exactly are their financial backers? Be sure to look for audits in case of DeFi. In the case of DeFi, there will always be other measures that may be used for analyzing anything, but this is a basic guideline that works very well. Monitoring a cryptocurrency project is always something that should be done. Not all crypto expert TikTokers have such hidden agendas, and it is essential to determine which crypto TikToker or thought leaders you would want to put your faith into. TikTok's capacity to excite young audiences about virtual products and places can be observed in its strong crypto community and the platform's frequent discussion of NFTs. Meta even picked up on it, as Mark Zuckerberg's business utilized TikTok influencers to spread the word about the competitor's startup's metaverse play. But as several have said, tremendous power comes with great responsibility. It might be challenging to initiate good content creator collaborations and keep TikTok consumers secure by adhering to their strict regulations. However, if you do it well, you will get traction and open new opportunities for your cryptocurrency business. Thanks for watching.